And let's move on to what's happening in the world of commodities. Brent again in focus. Manisha is joining in with us. Good morning, Manisha.
Morning, and thank you for that. Well, yes, the crude oil prices have seen a surge of around 3% overnight. We have been seeing support in case of crude after OPEC and allies have decided to delay output hike by one more month. So the output hike will now happen in the month of January. But on the other side, it is really going to be about the U.S. presidential elections and who comes. Because remember, Trump has promised clearing barriers for energy production, while Kamala Harris is expected to emphasize more on greenhouse gas emissions, controls, tax incentives even for clean energy. So it really is going to be a neck-to-neck thing in the next 48 hours or more. Perhaps we'll understand on what really can be the policy going forward, especially from U.S. In the meanwhile, well, yes, we stand on strong gains at this point in time. Last week wasn't such a great one, but we almost did 75 and plus kind of levels in the New York session yesterday. It has been a good going in metals as well. The decline in dollar index ahead of the U.S. presidential elections and ahead of the U.S. Fed meeting and the expectation that China perhaps would come out with more stimulus measures has been supportive here as well. The decline in dollar index has taken copper prices to 2-week highs overnight, and the gold price is trading steady as well. For gold especially, apart from U.S. Fed meeting, it's going to be the monetary policy meetings in UK, Brazil, Australia, Poland, Norway, etc. So there's plenty happening in this week. And in the meanwhile, you have tangible commodities doing well.
Okay, surely keeping an eye out on that. Thank you so much for that, Manisha.